We can use math.random to get random numbers to simulate cards. So in my first item here, I have an integer that is between the range of 1 and 13, and that number will be created automatically depending on what the result is from math.random. And that will be cast to an int and actually have 1 added to it. So that means I'll be able to get a range from 1 to 13. The same idea is behind selecting a random suit. I can take a number between 1 and 4, and I can actually assign it one of the suits, and depending on the random number that occurs from using the math.random, I'll be able to assign a suit. I'm using a different kind of selection here that we haven't worked with yet. This is called a switch statement. Basically, this takes the integer that comes in here and it says for case 1, assign the variable digit name to ace. And once that's done, we're going to break out of this switch statement. Look to see for case 2, in the case that that integer is a 2, and we're going to assign digit name to 2. And it does that through all these integers so that I can get a card. Finally, down here I have a switch statement for a suit. Here, if my random number is either 1, 2, 3, or 4, and I'm able to assign that suit name to either heart, diamond, club, and spade. Finally, depending on what variable came up after the switch to digit name and the switch to suit name, I'm going to add those all together into a string called player card and output player card. So this is the first piece of being able to play blackjack, is to get random suits. So if I just keep refreshing my program, you'll see the different runs, and every time that's a new result, random result from a digit and a random result from the suit. If you're curious, you can output the result in digit and in case to see what's actually showing up each time we get a random number. After making those modifications, I run my program. You can see that 11 was the random value that was selected and 2, and that translates into a jack of hearts. That's how we can use random numbers to create cards.